Interesting. So the problem is, on the other engine, throttle was backwards. Huh, okay, well, that's an easy fix. We have a Phillips, and we will have that fixed quick. I'm not sure what to make of that smoking though, unfortunately. Oop. Hot exhaust and hot head. There's a slot in this that it needs to, tang needs to drop down into. Well, as you can tell by the smoke in the shop, I think this engine's dusted. I noticed a ton of clay and stuff. Kind of hard to tell. I don't know if you can see it, but there's just this loam clay all over it. And I'm willing to bet the engine probably hoovered a bunch of that up. So, I've been into this engine enough times, or I've been into these enough times, that really is, realistically, putting a new set of rings in it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So that's what I'm going to look for. And I'd run the hone down the cylinders real quick, and yeah, that might have it back up and running.